Hello everyone on the Casperer channel, where we try to find and tell you about promising and European projects from the cryptocurrency industry. In today's video, I will tell you about RealT. Thanks to this project, investors worldwide can own real estate in the US real estate market through fully compliant fractional tokenized ownership. As for RealT, they are RWA pioneers since 2019, which is the market for real-world assets, issued in the form of tokens on the blockchain. During this time, they have successfully tokenized more than 535 homes, residential or commercial buildings, worth more than $101 million. I think this project deserves our attention, as real estate is still one of the best and stable investments in the world. So let's go to the RealT website and take a closer look at this company. RealT provides unique opportunities for investing in fractionalized real estate ownership, having many advantages over traditional agencies and realtors. The main relevance of the RealT project is the use of modern blockchain technologies to ensure transparency and security of real estate ownership. This greatly simplifies the process of buying or selling housing, as well as reduces the risks of fraud. One of the main pain points that RealT solves is eliminating the problem of intermediaries and simplifying the transaction process. The platform connects sellers and buyers directly, simplifying communication and reducing commissions. Thanks to this, users can conduct real estate transactions more reliably and profitably. An important feature of RealT is the ability for a global user base to enter a top-tier market of real estate, even if they are in another city or country. This approach significantly saves time and money and opens the door to millions around the world into buying or renting real estate in a trustworthy jurisdiction and environment. Now let's touch on the main points of RealT's evolution. Here, the first key step of the project is turning to a decentralized governance model via the Real Token DAO to manage future operations and democratize decision-making on the tokenization protocol, following successful models from Aave, Uniswap, and Shapeshift. RealT's current big milestone is the RAGE token launch, which is ongoing until May 31st. The objective of the RAGE token is to make it attractive through multiple use cases, forcing holders to make strategic choices regarding the allocation of RAGE to various programs and ecosystem uses. The initial supply is expected to be 500 million RAGE tokens. And this initial supply of RAGE tokens will be distributed in via airdrops over 5 years. 86.5% of the total tokens are allocated for ecosystem development. 10% are allocated for the team and 3.5% of the tokens are allocated for marketing. And as the developers of the RealT project assure their intention to allocate 86.5% of their total supply to the ecosystem is a bold decision aimed at accelerating the project's goal of decentralization. Also, the project is holding airdrop genesis until May 31st, which is the first drop that will be funded from the project's treasury budget. Who is eligible for the airdrop? And here, each wallet that has stored RealT tokens for the last 5 years will be eligible to receive 100 REG for each respective wallet. The main purpose of this drop is to initiate a trade and also to generate interest and explore the value that the market will place on the REG token. In this case, RealT doesn't participate in any way and doesn't affect the determination of the initial price. Everything will be decided by the market demand for the token, that is, how much users will be interested in it. Also, owning a REG token will give users great advantages in the RealT ecosystem. Namely, using DAO and the REG token, the community can create new marketplaces and use cases. And of course, due to well-designed tokenomics and provided utilities, the REG token can be a promising RWA play in the long run. I also believe that the RealT project and Real Token DAO has good potential for growth, as the relevance of RWA, real asset tokenization, lies in the ability to represent and trade real assets in digital form. This opens new perspectives for investors, allowing them to diversify their portfolios and generate income from different types of assets, such as real estate, businesses, art, and others. Also, RWA tokenization simplifies the transaction process by providing transparency and ease of transferring ownership. Well, on that note, I believe today's review can be concluded. I will only add that in order to follow the development of this project and not to miss all the most relevant news, I recommend you to subscribe to their social networks. In conclusion, I will say that the RealT project is a really innovative and promising platform that improves the process of real estate transactions with modern technologies. Its relevance lies in simplifying the process of investing in fractionalized real estate, as well as in increasing the transparency and security of transactions. In general, RealT enables users to get the most out of their real estate transactions in today's digital world. Also, I want to remind you that before you make any purchases related to cryptocurrency or make investments for a long period of time, you should weigh your decisions more carefully and make your own analysis of projects, as investing in cryptocurrency involves great risks. And please do not consider our video as a financial advice or a call to any action. All our videos are created only for informational purposes. That's all, bye!